VinFast. Open all the windows.
I'm ready. Let's
Okay.
The ride is very smooth.
So it was surprising.
This felt very comfortable and natural the first time driving it.
Being able to be one of the first drivers of the VF8 is pretty special.
I really like the comfort, the acceleration, and it just feels overall like a really nice made car.
The drive was amazing.
At the VinFast event, and I just had a great time test driving all their amazing new cars.
Yeah, I love it. I mean, I really enjoy the car.
Feels like there's a ton of power there behind it.
And how quiet. I think that was another big distinguisher.
Everything is one touch.
Very easy to drive.
Cool, fun, safe, and bonus, awesome. I really enjoyed it.
I really enjoyed the test drive. I want to go again.
Smooth, man. So smooth, this car.